Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Ogle County in north-central Illinois until 5:30 p.m. At 4:25 p.m., a cluster of severe thunderstorms was located near Milledgeville and Chana, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated.
That's not that bad.
Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Rochelle, Byron, Oregon, Mount Morris, Polo, Davis Junction, Hillcrest, Stillman Valley, Lost Nation, Lindenwood, Monroe Center, Leaf River, Grand Detour, Adeline, Wootham, Kings, and Chana, including the following interstate: Interstate 39 between mile markers 102 and 114. This includes Castle Rock State Park, Loudoun State Park, Ogle County Fairgrounds, and White Pine State Park. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for north-central Illinois. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for north-central Illinois.
Guys, this thunder's not letting up.
I know.